Here's a quick tutorial on how to set up your Hangout for your DrupalCamp Ottawa 2013 presentation. So you're going to go to your Hangout page with your assigned Hangout user. This will depend on which room you're presenting in. So if you're in FSS 2005, I believe, it will be that user. If you're in 4007, then you'll use that account instead. So when you land here, you'll have a Hangout, and you'll have this Start a Hangout button. So we're going to click on that. And you'll get the standard Starting a Hangout interface where you get the list of all your friends and people you can invite and that sort of thing. So this you can probably just leave alone since you'll probably be presenting on your own, but if you are using someone remotely or presenting with someone remotely, then you can add them to the circle. You're going to click on the Enable Hangout button, and then it should say that everything is fine. If there's some sort of verification code involved, please let the tech know in the room and they'll take care of that. So you're just going to name the Hangout. So we're going to go with the, just so that we can sort these through later and we'll rename them properly. Just put in the time that you're presenting and then the room. So let's say you're presenting at 10 o'clock. You're going to put 10:00. Then a dash, and then the room number, so it'll be FSS 2005. And then we'll go in later on and rename that appropriately. So you're going to click on Hangout. And here you are. Here's me in the Google Hangout. So we're going to turn on the screen sharing, in which case we're going to choose Share Screen. So here we go. So I've chosen to share this particular window specifically. So no matter where I move it, it will always keep focus on it. So this can be your presentation itself. It could be the website. It could be just your desktop in general if you just want to share that specifically. So this is how you get all set up, get your slides ready. Whenever you're good to go, you click on the Start Broadcast. And it'll give you sort of a little notice here. And it'll give you a little countdown. And there's a little marker here where it says off air, and then it will say on air whenever we are actually. There we go. So now we're on air. Video is being recorded, and you can see my screen here. So if I browse around, let's say just go back to this home page here. There we go. You can actually see the Hangout is now live on air right on the Google Plus page. It's a little meta right now. So there you go. So you continue your presentation. You can use any of the normal tools that you see inside of Google Plus. I won't go into too much detail, but you can share a presentation directly in here. You can use the cameraman. You can use the chat if you want to take questions. You can even bring in a live Twitter feed and show that. Or if you just want to broadcast your face in the or whatever your laptop camera happens to pick out, you can just turn off the screen share and then go back to just you. So let's go back to here. And then whenever you're done with your presentation, everything's done, you can put up your final slides, click on End Broadcast. And then the broadcast has been successfully terminated. And you're done. That's it. Your Hangout has been complete, and you can just close this window, and that's it.